McLaren Automotive has unveiled the latest addition to its illustrious lineup, the McLaren GTS, poised to take the reins from its predecessor, the GT. Embodying the pinnacle of automotive engineering, the GTS is built upon McLaren's distinctive carbon fiber monocoque chassis and adheres to the brand's super lightweight engineering philosophy. At the heart of this automotive marvel lies a formidable 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, now boasting an impressive 635 horsepower. 15 horsepower increase over the GT. The vehicle's feather-light construction weighing at just 1,520 kilograms, 10 kilograms lighter than its predecessor. Acceleration is redefined in the GTS, with the ability to reach 0 to 200 kilometers per hour in a mere 8.9 seconds, outpacing the GT. The sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour is a breathtaking 3.2 seconds. Enthusiasts and connoisseurs can now reserve their piece of automotive excellence, as the new McLaren GTS is available for order, with deliveries scheduled for 2024.